Welcome back to our home. Can you guys believe that we're already ready to start the walls in our dining room renovation? Previously, you guys saw us finish the ceiling. Well, we just bought a whole load of wood, and we're going to start those walls today and get as much done as we possibly can. Sometimes like around windows because I feel like perfect. Done?
Cool.
That is awesome progress. I'm so happy to get that wall done, and it went so quick and smoothly. No problems. We still have some wood left in the bus, so we're going to keep working and maybe hit this side wall. Maybe we'll figure it out. Actually, we have quite a bit of wood left. They're going for this way. Oh, this could be a little shorter, so 27 3/4 should do it. 27 3/4.
Okay.
Let me see if I push down this side a little bit. If it... Yeah. We were making really good progress yesterday, got a lot done, but as you can see, we didn't finish up. And so last night, we decided to run out to the store to get some more wood so that we could finish up the room and a few more other supplies for the house. So we took a break from the work, ran to the store, but on the way home, we saw a free pile. And now a free pile, you guys know, is just a pile of stuff that people put by the road for free. They want to get rid of it. So it was a pretty good size pile. We said, hey, let's go stop and look at that. We turned around, pulled in, we started looking. We found some cool stuff, but we pretty much spent our whole night there just looking through the pile and talking to the people at the house. So by the time we got home, we didn't have any more time to work, but we're going to start working again this morning after we show you all the cool free stuff that we found. I guess we'll start with this little guy. Check this out.
He's kind of weird looking, quirky, so we thought he was neat.
It looks like somebody made a bank out of him, but there's no bottom. But we're going to use him probably somewhere on our property as a little decoration. We could even fill that with sand or something to weigh it down so it doesn't go anywhere.
Yeah.
We'll
He's
see.
Cool.
It just seemed like a shame to leave this cute blue dog. Guys, I know we're going to seem like hoarders here, but some of the stuff is just, it was free.
We have a fish. Plush. He's cool.
I haven't seen these in years. I don't know, some of you guys will remember these. I saw these wooden feet. These are furniture legs, probably to a sofa or something, I don't know. But they're wood. They're legs, they're fancy. I thought maybe they'll come in handy for something.
Mm-hmm. A glass.
It's a syrup bottle.
Thing. Yeah.
Now I took this and I'm going to give it to Belle, our daughter, because I want her to make a micro terrarium. I think there's a name for these, but basically you can put like little moss and plants inside there and you cap it off with the right amount of water in there and it'll just be an enclosed ecosystem, and I thought this would be a perfect cute little project for her.
Yeah.
So we're going to see how that works. Our son Maverick found these. It's brand new, never opened, magnetic letters. These aren't that exciting, but these are just some big spikes to stake stuff down. I thought it could be handy. Sometimes we lay tarps on the ground to work, and like,
right,
you could stake them down. There was more, but I should have taken them, but they were bent. I got this, especially for our daughter. It's an inside joke, and I'm going to hang it outside. It's just a broken old clock. It's just a broken tractor toy. I guess Maverick wanted it. It's okay. It'll be outside.
These are small. Going to be hard to show.
I'll set them up.
So there was a Monopoly game, and it was the Star Wars edition. And all the pieces and everything were like spilled everywhere. So we had to like scrounge around to look for the figures, which were actually there. And we were able to find 8 of them, and there was one missing, which was who?
C-3PO.
Yeah.
Which is a shame because our son likes robots, but we found all those figures. They're kind of neat, little cast.
Yeah, they're actual metal.
Now,
and the die.
Just want to say, we're not Star Wars fans, we just thought the figures were cool. It's a level. Just a cheapy one. And our son found these plastic pliers, so he took those.
A little truck thing.
That I wanted.
Don't ask me why I took this. It's just an old speaker. It's a subwoofer for computer speakers.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Spider!
We got a whole variety of plastic toy figures.
Suncatcher, make it, bake it, things. I'm guessing.
Bones. We're not into scary stuff, but how could you leave plastic bones?
I don't even know what we're gonna do with that. I saw these color pencils. I don't even know if they're still good. The box looks super old.
They're all red.
They're all red. Actually, the other end is black. So it's like a split.
It says red and blue. That's blue.
Oh, red and blue it says.
Yeah, that's what I just said. Our daughter took this book. She's looking forward to checking out the pictures in there. And this book was there. Guys, you go to any thrift store in America, you're going to find this book. There was like, must have been millions of them made. I don't know why.
Specifically the Jonah one.
This specific story.
And I saw this dirty, disgusting calculator. But I love these solar-powered calculators. So I can clean that up and just hold on to it. And I saw these little metal coins, tokens. I grabbed them because I grab stuff like this. This one's the Hard Rock Hotel, $1, Las Vegas. This one is Key Largo Casino, $1 gaming token. That's also Las Vegas. And there was some fabric clothing things that I grabbed. I don't plan on wearing this. I just thought the fabric was neat. This thing is brand new, so I grabbed it. Still has tags. It's like a smocked dress. There's another TY in here. Alligator. Belle grabbed this because it has all these pretty little things on it. She just wants to take these off and keep them. This is like a skirt. I don't think I'll wear this, but I thought the buttons were cool, so I took it. I think they're like shells. And Belle thought this was pretty.
So that's our free haul from the side of the road. Just thought that'd be fun to share. We're going to be getting back to work.
What's wrong?
I just realized we're way lower than this other wall. Maybe we'll find a nice fat, tall board that'll... I think we found a batch of small wood. I don't know if this is going to work. We just got even shorter. This board right here is a 1/16 of an inch shorter than these. We're going to keep dropping. There's no way to keep up with that. I would have to have gaps everywhere. Look how far we're dropping already. Just think, 2 boards is 1/8 of an inch drop.
Unless you just don't care about lining them up.
I might have to not care right now. Because otherwise we can't use this wood. And we just wasted it. Maybe it'll die right before everybody sees me mess up.
Yeah.
We'll see if this fits. Just hold it. That's it. These cuts even impress me.
Are you bragging?
Yes. We just finished up the last bits and this entire room is done. I can't believe that we made it through. There was a couple of times where we wanted to quit tonight, but we pushed through it and I'm glad we did. This looks so good. I just can't believe we're at this stage already. I shouldn't say already, it's been so long. Now seeing the room complete like this, I can totally see what many of you guys see in the beauty of this wood, and I know so many of you guys love the idea of keeping it natural, keeping it light. I get it, it's beautiful, but we're going to be staining it to match our kitchen, which might sound dark because it is. But it's going to look really good in here. This is a bright room, has a lot of windows, a lot of sunlight. We really put a lot of thought into the color of this room, and we decided in the end to match it to the kitchen because we want this to be a cohesive area. We feel like the kitchen and dining room kind of meld into one living space, and it's going to flow really well. We're really trying to push through this so that we can do all the finish work before laying the floor, and that'll be the final piece of this puzzle to get it looking perfect. And then we don't have to worry about getting anything on the floor. We'll get all these outlets screwed in and secured. We'll get everything cleared out of here. And hopefully next time you guys see us staining this room.
That'd be nice.
So that's all we have for now. Thanks for watching. And until next time, take care.
Bye.